delivered to you in a few
moments.
If you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotors, we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives.
Yeah. Get it? Now.
I'm about to crank up, trank up, what I think up, nigga bank up, nigga pour all the time on my grind, about my shine, nigga last time, to the motherfucking membrane on the same, the nigga don't know how to do my thing, nigga cause I love this shit like a bank of rain, I'm flipping on the motherfucking brain, they call it 24, play with me, bitch, I'm ratchet, I let you go, I let you know how I do it, the motherfucking top school, bitch, don't play with my tool, I'm big fucking woo. I'm stepping with that motherfucking cannon. Nigga, my weapon, nigga flipping and dipping in my leg. I got 10 holes, but they ain't got no left. Nigga coming in the house, nigga shooting crap. I'm shooting 7 to the left, to the left of the door. Ice on my grill, hold no fucking back. I lock your ass with a baseball bat. Nigga, I'm flipping some motherfucking bricks. I got that shit in my fine dog, rolling motherfucking extra, motherfucking extraordinary nigga.
Cut bang, I hit him with the missile. I didn't miss him. His mama on the one that missed him. When I kissed him on his forehead. Talking shit, nigga on the block, getting more bread. I click 2 deep. We talking shit, we'll hit you when we see deep. Posted in the block, got that Glock, and we too deep. We stay strapped. We niggas knocking niggas straight up off the map. Northside gang, we getting money, ain't no monkey.
Yeah, money off the map. Huh? Yeah, well, hello, I am Lady Shay. We getting that money off the map every day. And I am clocking, pockets in my pockets, motherfucking pockets in my fucking pockets. Dipping off like a fucking rocket, Chevy heavy from all the air. That shit is heavy. Get that shit, nigga, looking for the copper field. In this motherfucker counting dollars and the bills. Shit get ill in the fucking pro Joes. That's why I let them know that I'm going blow for blows with these elbows. These hoes somewhere crooked. That's why I look at these niggas slew fucking footed. Don't give a fuck, better be out of luck. I don't give a fuck, bitch, like a duck and cluck. Bitch, what the fuck you saying now? I don't hear you saying now. You is a clown and you acting mother funny now. So I go round for round and verse for verse. Coming looking for see who's the worst and worst. I'm that bitch nigga ready for your monkey ass. If you wanna dare, see how long your ass will last. Don't give a fuck, don't need no motherfucking beat. Fuck that shit, Lady Shay, call me unique. I said again and again till I don't give a fuck. Motherfucker, and suck that shit up. Out of luck, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I ain't had time on the beat, so I'ma take this shit up. Nigga, I'm Lady Shay. Out of Collegeville. Me no play, Cristal Frog is how we live. Got the cow gone wild in this battlefield. And this motherfucker come over here and get killed at will. In the shoulder of the new Pope. And don't give a fuck. Still rapping, ho. I ain't gonna duck off no shit, bitch. I ain't losing shit now. Freestyling, born and bred, ghetto child. How you like me now when we come through acting silly? That's only because we smoke that perf and it got our ass giggly. We don't give a fuck, we is no play. Ass man, that mean we don't play no damn game. Hey.
Alright. Hey, Cristal.
Yeah. Push the red button every time.